video series, I'm answering some of the frequently asked questions I get about math topics. So, we're going to take a look at adding and subtracting integers using number tiles. So, look at problem number one. You see that I have four negative tiles. So, if we write that in a number sentence, I would say that's -4. Then don't forget the plus. And then I have three positive tiles. So that's a +3. Now, you may have learned to add integers by if the signs are different, subtract the numbers, take the sign of the bigger the numbers. I've just found students struggle to remember those kinds of rules. So here's how the story goes when I deliver it. We want to think of the negatives as the bad guys, and we want to think of the positives as the good guys. Now, when they come together, one bad guy is going to take out one good guy. Only one bad guy takes out one good guy. And when it is over, what is left? Well, most students can see that then there's one bad guy left. That means that my answer is -1. Every time they come together, one bad guy cancels one good guy. And then students don't have to remember these rules. Let's try it again in number 2 here. You have 3 good guys plus 2 bad guys. When they come together, one bad guy takes out a good guy, one bad guy takes out a good guy, and we're left with one good guy. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's look at number 3 then. It's a little different with subtraction because when we do subtraction, we have to change it to a plus, but the only way we can change it to a plus is if all of the tiles after the sign also change. So these all become good guys. Let's write the number sentence then, though. It was 4 minus -3, but now it really becomes 4 plus 3 good guys, which pretty easy gives me 7. So I hope this storytelling of good guys and bad guys, and by the way, I have painted that in so many different ways. I have done Jedi and stormtroopers. I have done any number of good guy, bad guy scenarios to really, really get students engaged with the story. And it really does help them, especially your younger students. They're going to be able to see these number tiles and mark them off a lot easier than they are going to remember some rule.